the shadow of the farm she laid his plans, with his dreams in her heart and tools in her hands. But fate was cruel and took him away, left her here in sorrow and dismay. I'll build this cabin in the cave with tears and sweat, the pain I brave. Your memory guides each nail and beam. Our dream will live despite the seam. The days are cold, but I press on. With every stone a new dawn. You're gone, but I feel you near, whispering courage in my ear. I'll build this cabin in the cave with tears and sweat, the pain I brave. Your memory guides each nail and beam. Our dream will live despite the seam. Day by day, plank by plank, even in sorrow I give thanks. For a mother's love, shared the plans we made. This cabin's walls will never fade. I built this cabin in the cave.
Okay, so
Tears and
I
sweat,
wanted to show you
the
the
pain
worked on
I
it
brave.
today.
Your memory guides each nail and
Good morning. I'm back down here at the
beam. Your
cabin.
dream lives
You
on.
can see my ladder, and I'm going to crawl up there and
Despite the seam.
thank you, son, and thank you, God.